Happened Thursday outside of a convenience store in Clearwater when Brittany Jacobs, seen in this white car, parks illegally in a handicapped space. Jacobs' boyfriend, Marquise McLaughlin, a 28-year-old black man, gets out of the car with their 5-year-old son. Detectives say that's when Michael Dreika, a 47-year-old white man apparently upset the cars parked illegally, jumps out of his vehicle and inspects the car for handicap decals. When he doesn't see any, surveillance shows the two get into a verbal altercation. Moments later, McLaughlin leaves the store to defend his girlfriend, pushing Dreika to the ground. Dreika then pulling out his gun and opening fire, fatally shooting McLaughlin in the chest.
The defendant can use the fact that the victim started to walk away as evidence that the shooter was not in imminent harm.
The Stand Your Ground law gives Floridians the right to protect themselves if they feel threatened. McLaughlin's girlfriend is devastated.
I need justice. This is not right at all.
This man says he had a similar altercation with the shooter at the same store about a month ago.
Out here, he said he'll shoot me, called me and stuff like that, so I think it's a racial issue.
The shooter owned the gun legally and had a concealed carry permit, according to police. He also told police he was in fear of being attacked again. Dan?
This is such a hot and emotional issue. I suspect we're going to be hearing about this for a while, Zach.
I think so.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Old son and the shooter could be protected by Florida's controversial Stand Your Ground law. ABC's Zachary Quiche has more on the confrontation caught on camera.
The whole incident was caught on camera. A father gunned down over a handicapped parking space. Now, this morning, detectives determining the shooting was justified under a controversial Florida law.
If Marquise McLaughlin hadn't walked up to him the way he did and slammed him on the ground, we wouldn't be here having this discussion either.
Sheriff, can you give me a warning right before it actually happens?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just so we can pull away.
Sure. So that's Dreika approaching Jacobs. And you can see he's looking around the car. And he's looking for the handicap permit decal. Okay, so this is McLaughlin coming out. So he's getting ready to push him, and then the shot's going to be fired. And right here.